to Slide on Slide. My name is Leslie, and today we're going to open a Miniverse, make it your own style. Okay, so now that we have it open, I do want to point out one more time, I do love these because they do make it a shelf once you put it together. And then, looks like we're making a candle. You got your little, and then your tweezers, and then these, which we don't need. I'm gonna open it up. Oh, that's a cute little tray. And then we got the pumpkin smell this time. So let's go ahead and get this open here. See what our thing's gonna look like. They look like little jars. The lid's inside of them, so there we go, little minis, and they say mini on the front. Let's go ahead and open this up and see our wicks that we have. Okay. So we're gonna open this. And we're gonna screw this on top. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and open up our wicks. And then went ahead and put that in it upside down so that it would come out a little bit easier. And then you just want to measure how high you want the wick to be and then cut the wick to the desired length that you wanted. All right, there's that. And then you just pour this in and you squeeze it. Squeezing. But you're going to do the same thing to both candles. And then you're going to, what we did last time that we did this, my husband used a UV black light and he actually made it harden that way. Faster. I think it took 5 minutes for it to happen. And then the candles look pretty nice. So I will be right back after I get all this stuff out so you can see the finished product.
Hi, my name's Onan and I'm going to give my wife a little bit of help. She brought me this little bottle here and for the life of me, even with my hands, I couldn't squeeze virtually anything out. So at my tool closet, I got myself a Gerber. And one didn't work, so I'm going to use this one to hold it. Needle nose right there to apply it. Just give it a hand like this, because I can't imagine a younger child just doing this. Just give it just a little bit of a squeeze until you get to the point where it's coming out. I've already done a lot of this because I thought we were recording, but I hit the button wrong. So, pretend, there it is. You're going to want to, these are easiest picked up at Menards. This is a 395 nanometer black light UV pen. Takes 2 AAAs. I don't think it cost me $5 to $7. And I use this all the time because my daughters, I have twin daughters, they like glow in the dark toys. And this, when you go into Target, you can't see glow in the dark toys because they use fluorescence. When you use a light like this and you hold it up to your eye, the toy, you'll see that it's glowing. This will cure any of this resin right here because it's 395 nanometers. It is a UV light. So anything under 395 meters is just a glorified black light that will make a poster maybe glow. But something like this is just going to be an all-purpose tool. And I use it for a lot of things. You could use it in your vehicle if you want to look for oil stains, or if your child has bled on any kind of clothes. You can find it and then you can stain treat it. And as long as you stain treat blood, you're gonna take it right out. So I hope that helped, and I'm gonna turn this back over to my beautiful wife.
Okay, so I have turned the lights off so you guys can see my 395 millimeter? Nanometer.
Only do one at a time.
So I'm gonna put it over it, and this is only gonna take 2 minutes. So I'm gonna put it over there so you can see it.
Oh, it might harden as quick as So when you go to do it and when you use this little tweezers, it's gummy now. Okay, don't do it now. Okay, but after about another 20 seconds, it's going to automatically be hard. You'll be able to tap it. So if you just pause your video.
If you have liked this video, I hope that I have earned a like and subscribe, and I hope you have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world.